Where'd they go? Can you find them? Jack, can you find your apple flips? Go get your apple flips. They're over there. They're over there. You know where they are. I don't have them. See, I don't have them. You know where they are. You can find them. You're almost there. Come on, over here. They're over there. Over there. Okay, go get them. What's that? You being a camera hog. Go find them. Quick, go get them. The funniest part about this is the name of this product is the Purina Apple Flavored Flips. And it has nothing to do with inside of this because he normally won't even eat these.